Good morning, YouTubers. Jen True here. So I'm out in the woods and I'm turkey hunting. But I just thought I would let you know a quick tip. There's all these different pop-up, different blinds and things like that that you can buy. And those of you that have watched my channel long enough know that I'm frugal and that you can do a lot with less, right? So what I do is I make a natural blind. And I make it out of just the materials that are, located in the woods. So when you're out scouting, once you find a good spot, then you can just use some of the down timber, like this, that you see around you, and you can make yourself a nice natural cover blind. When you do that, you want to make sure I like to use a nice dead tree, down tree. Just make sure you get leaves underneath, because the turkey's main defense is sight. And typically, I'm just getting into turkey hunting and deer hunting, but turkey and deer kind of hang out in the same environment, in the same area. So I got out real early in the spring and I made this natural blind because I've been out scouting this one spot. And I found some sign today. I found some scratch and a feather. I'll show you real quick. So right here, where I saw the scratching and the sign, and they pull the leaves and stuff away from the tree. Our chickens do the same thing, so that was pretty cool. And then the feather, well, I took a picture of it, so I'll put that in as a thumbprint for the video. But anyway, you can see the blind right there. And it looks very natural. Just looks like a down tree, a bunch of leaves and sticks and stuff. Alright, well that was my quick tip. I'll just show you real quick one more time. Oh, the other thing that I do is I use this app that my friend Chris told me about. And what I did is that tree, let's see, where are we? So that tree right there, that tree is just about 20 to 25 yards away from the blind. And so you want to, when you create a natural blind, you want to know if you have time. I mean, if you're stalking an animal and you're hunting on the ground, then you might not have a chance, but you should, I thought I heard something. You should try to scout, like when you're scouting out and you set up your blind, if you don't have a rangefinder like me. Again, I just use the app because, I don't know, it's $10 a year, and those rangefinders can be kind of expensive, but once you have one, it's just mainly so that you know that you're within like legal limits to shoot, from private property and things like that. But also it's nice to know, 10, 20 yards, because I use a recurve bow. I don't use a compound bow, so I can only shoot so far. So it's good to know, because then you can call the animal in, the turkey in, and get close to you. But, okay, well, I hope you enjoyed my video. Do a quick tour of the blind. and then I clear all the sticks from the floor so that if you do get to call in a turkey or a deer, not right now, it's not deer season, it's only turkey, but then you're not like getting ready, getting your bow and getting into stance and you step on a stick and scare it. So it's just sharing some of the things that I know, but I just wanted to show you the natural turkey blind here. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. And hit that little notification bell up the top so you get all my new stuff. Well, thank you so much again for hanging out with me. And get outside. All right, guys. Have a great day. Bye.